Hey, Dan here, doing a day in the life of a chef instructor at the chopping block. This is a pretty cool day. Private party in the morning. Nice, corporate events. It was actually one of our Valentine's Day classes that night. So, take you through. There was Chef Sarah, Chef Lisa, Chef Sarah's leading this class. So here I am doing some of our mise en place, getting some herbs rolled up, um, having everything ready. Here I am delivering that mise en place downstairs. This is one of our homemade pasta classes, so do some homemade meatballs with that as well. We spend the first hour and a half before a class getting everything set up, every tool you might need, every ingredient you might need, setting up the entire room, kind of full game plan, having that all ready. Here I am folding towels for the dining service. I did speed this up, so don't worry, I'm not that fast at folding towels. It's really exciting stuff here. Moving on to a little tour of our time kitchen. This is upstairs. Four large groups. We can go even bigger. We, could spend the whole morning getting ready, completely focused. Maybe have some music on. So here's me and Chef Sarah talking about a game plan about our appetizers. Having some caprese skewers. How does she want them plattered? We all switch from one day you might be leading a class to one day you might be assisting, and we all have a different style, so you want to make sure you're doing what they want. All right, a little balsamic glaze goes down. Get those skewers up and ready. Pretty nice. Not much to say here. Top them with some olive oil. Nice salt and pepper on there as well. Always season your caprese. You don't want just plain cheese and vegetables. Moving along, showing off one of our other very popular appetizers. These are gougères, likely either Gruyere or Parmesan cheese. All right, here we are in the event. Great group of people. Like I said, this is a homemade pasta class. You're making a couple pastas, making some sauce. We're walking around making sure everyone's succeeding, putting away all your dirty dishes. Here we are doing a little al dente test, make sure our homemade pasta is nice and ready to go. Yes, looks good. Pasta looks good. All right, here's the point during the day where we got to really flip that kitchen. Um, clean all the tables, clean all the ranges, set up for the next class. They pretty much go back to back into each other. So getting those things set up. Here I am, and now I'm leading the class. So getting my mise en place here. This was our Valentine's moonlight class. We had a nice filet mignon with a red wine reduction, shallots, rosemary butter. There's that red wine. We'll get the beef stock in here in a second. So we do this for every single recipe, making sure everyone has what they need. A little Dijon mustard there. Here you think I can see I cut my finger. Psych, didn't cut my finger. That's how we show a gluten-free group was right there. All right, cut ahead to the beginning of the class. I'm able to walk around, kind of talk. This was a long class. We had some popcorn there. We were able to just get to know each other, get things all settled up. This was a really exciting class, so I actually didn't film anything else. But that was a full 12-hour day. The TCB instructor. Hopefully that shows you a little life into what we do to set up for these classes. But yeah, definitely come see me teach a whole day too. Okay, bye.